Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to adjust your screen brightness in Windows. So let's start how to do it. Guys, there are several ways you can adjust your screen's brightness. The first way, you go into the Windows Start bar and typing in brightness. Then click on the change brightness level. Now display from here you can increase and decrease your screen's brightness by moving the bright slider up and down. The second way to adjust your screen's brightness is by going into the system tray and clicking on the message icon. Now from here you can increase or decrease your screen's brightness. And the last way, you can adjust your screen's brightness by looking at your laptop or computer's keyboard. Holding your FN key on your keyboard, and at the same time holding F3 key the increase brightness, or holding F2 key decrease brightness keys to adjust your screen's brightness. Again, some device use FN plus F3 or F4, or FN plus up/down arrow keys to adjust screen brightness depending on the laptop or PC manufacturer. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and hit the subscribe button to get more update video.